Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Filipina Manskin channel. And today, I'm going to harvest my squash now because it's too hot here in Arizona. So, I want to harvest them before, before the heat cook. So, samahan niyo po ako. Please watch until the end, and thank you very much. This is my upo or battle gourd. Mayroon na po akong isa na lumalaki. Ayan. So, very excited for that one. I hope this battle gourd will survive with the heat. I'm praying. So it's really beautiful. And there's a lot of little one, but I just hoping that more gourd. So let's harvest. This is one zucchini left. Guys, there's another one. Meron pa. Dami kong langgam. There's a lot of black ants here. So I'm very happy. Harvest day today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below, guys. And of course, you can share my video to your friends and family. Yan, sa mga kababayan ko po, sana magsuporta po kayo sa akin. Subscribe po sa aking channel and mag-comment po sa aking video. Salamat po. Meron pa po, oh. Another one. One more zucchini. So, ito na po yung last ko dito. This is my last one in this area. I have one more squash in the corner. But I guess I'm gonna wait for a couple days for those to harvest. And this one is the last one here in this area. Oh no, there's one more over there, but it's not ready yet. So, what do you think, guys? Arizona heat, and I have the squash. Here you go. Ay nako, ang bigat. It's so heavy, guys. Ayan. So, papakita ko pa po sa inyo yung ah, tomatoes that I harvest then the other day. So, ayan, mga kamanskin. I'm so happy that I can grow this kalabasa in here. It's a little bit of challenge to grow vegetables in this place, but I made it. So dito po, titingnan natin kung we have tomato. So I have two tomato. My tomatoes, there's the tomatoes here. So, this is my harvest for today for the tomato. Ayan, nag-harvest po muna ako bago ako pupunta ng trabaho. Kasi it's so very very hot in here. So, I don't want some of my vegetables cooking in the heat. So, I harvest first before I go to work today. It's a little busy this week, so I'm going to upload this guys maybe later in a week or 2 weeks. Ayan. Because the editing it's kinda, very challenging, the editing. So I'm so happy guys. Thank you so much for watching. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This is your Filipino Manskin signing out. Thank you so much. Babu, I love you all. Oh, thank you so much. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. And to all my kababayan, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa aking video ngayong umaga, at sana po subscribe po kayo sa aking channel. Thank you. God bless. So ito po yung harvest ko today. Napakabigat. This is my harvest ko today. It's so pretty. I harvest 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 squash. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 squash. So, ayan. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you guys in my next one. All my subscribers, thank you so much. So, all my kababayan, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa aking video today. And share po my video. Magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod ko pang mga adventure in